it'll be happy, sad, and it'll be kind of like a small cartoon animation. Hello everyone! Today we'll be making a bumblebee. This is very simple and easy. You can do this in school, preschool, you name it. I recommend this for ages 4 to 6. Hope you have fun making this bumblebee. The first step is to take one black circle and one white circle. Then take your glue stick and glue the black circle onto the white circle. Now, do the same thing for the other pair of circles. Now, let's take one pair of circles and glue them onto our paper. Now, let's do the same thing on the other side. Now that you're finished the eyes, take one black stripe and put it on this bee. Finished one side, let's do the same thing on the other side. You can do different kinds of shapes and sizes of the stripes. I did one thicker than the other to make it more natural. Now that I'm finished both sides for the stripe and the eye, let's take one of the white pieces of paper and fold them just like this. Let's take this, unfold it, and glue that area on the outside, not the inside where it is folded. Now that you're finished, let's glue that right onto our bee. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Now let's secure them both on each side. You can make an extra fold if you'd like me, just to make it just to even it up a little bit. Now that you're finished the wings, let's put on the antennae. So, take your glue and glue glue only this part of the antennae, just a small bit up to here. Now you can fold it like this to make it more 3D. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Now let's fold it. To finish this off, let's do the mouth. I will be using a marker, but you can use another sheet of paper and cut it out into a mouth. I'll be using a black Sharpie marker to add detail. If you would like, you can also add an extra stripe with marker or with cut-out paper. I used one stripe to make it more simple and easy. As I said before, you can also add a smiley face here and sad face here on this side. So when you flip back and forth, it'll be happy, sad, and it'll be kind of like a small cartoon animation. I hope you had fun making this. I'll see you next time in my next video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Bye!